guys, welcome back to Eddie's World, and in today's video we are going to bake a homemade chocolate cake. Super yummy, super easy to make, and those are the ingredients that you need. Screenshot the previous picture and get everything so that we can get started. So the first step is we are making a little cinnamon powder. Crush it really well and take about half a teaspoon and keep it aside. And we also need caramel for this recipe, so we are taking 2 tablespoons of sugar in a 16 centimeter low pan. This is a AMC cookware, and we are going to melt the sugar at very low flame and get a nice golden brown color. And after getting that, we are going to add 1 cup of water. Now coming back to the main cake batter, we break 4 eggs and mix it in the mixie really well, blend it nicely, and then we add the rest of our ingredients, that is half a cup oil, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a few drops of vanilla essence, the cinnamon powder that we crushed, and the caramel that we made previously. Get your cake mold out, and this is greased with oil. The entire surface is greased with oil. Now we're going to dust it with a little maida so that the cake doesn't stick to the bottom or the sides. After dusting the entire cake mold, we are going to place butter paper at the bottom of the cake. You can use one big circle. We had small pieces, so we had to cut the semicircles, but you can cut one big round based on the size of your cake mold. Now that we're done with the batter, we are going to place our cake mold inside a 24 centimeter roaster. This is an AMC product, and we're good to go. This is a bigger cake than we usually bake, so it will take us about 1 hour to completely bake. The cake is being baked at a very low flame at all times. There is no change in temperature. It's going to be low flame at all times till the cake is done. And when there's about 20 minutes still left for the cake to be done, we are going to place a few dry fruits at the top to make it look much more attractive and yummy. This is done at the end because if we do it at the beginning, the dry fruits will sink to the bottom and they'll not be there at the top. Keep shaking the cake in equal intervals to see if it's perfectly baked. And we know that the test for checking if it's baked or not is to prick a toothpick or a knife, stab it inside slightly and take it out. And if you see that your knife or toothpick is clear without any batter sticking to it, then your cake is perfectly baked. And as you can see, the demolding was extremely easy. This is because we've dusted the cake mold perfectly and we got a nice cake. You can see the cake turned out to be amazing, both in terms of taste and looks. And if you tried our recipe out, do let us know how your cakes turn out in the comments below. And if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do hit the subscribe button, and we'll be back with more videos.